Welcome back, guys. We got yet another mod for the Coyote. I went ahead and purchased a UPR oil catch can, just kind of a preventative maintenance item. These Coyotes, I mean, since you're stepping on it a lot, you're building up a lot of oil pressure. Sometimes what happens is the oil pressure will go from the intake back into the manifold. I used to run a catch can setup on my booster 2 valve because of that reason. High RPM, always revving the engine very, very high. So I do rip on this truck a lot, and I want it to stay at least a little bit more reliable in any way possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this beautiful UPR oil catch can. Basically comes already set up. It only cost me $220 and it came within a couple days. Super easy. Should be a very easy install. I'll show you guys exactly what to do. So this is the can itself. It comes with a bracket. We're basically going to be putting this bracket on to where the battery is mounted, and then we just gotta plug in 2 hoses and we're basically done. Should be super easy. This fits all 21 to 25 F150s. So I'll link the catch can in the description below, and yeah, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is remove this clip right here on the battery. Once we take that clip off, that's where we're gonna mount the catch can. After we take off that clip and mount the catch can, then we'll go ahead and start taking off these lines. This is the line that you're gonna be taking off. You're gonna have one line running from the intake manifold to the catch can, and then the other one from the valve cover to the catch can. Super easy install, and it helps a ton. I'm sure when we pull off this line, it'll probably have some oil in it, and I only have 9,000 miles on my truck, so let's see. They do give you an option to mount another stud into the battery tray, but from what I've heard, a bunch of people are saying that just this mount alone, it's like super sturdy. So I mean, I'm just gonna mount it itself. I don't want to drill into the battery tray. Most people don't. So yeah, hopefully it's like pretty easy. And then I believe the clip should just go into this other hole here. So it's got a knob at the top. I'm gonna spin this off. Make sure you guys can see. Yep. So I'm gonna spin this off. It's got a washer. Make sure we don't lose this. So I'm gonna put it under and up. And what I'll do is I get the washer. Put the bracket through. Where is the top? Oh, I dropped it down there. This bolt like almost doesn't want to go through the bracket. All right, I'm gonna leave it a little loose, just in case I want to move it. I mean, I guess it'll move on its own, but it's pretty snug. So like I said, it'll sit right there in that hole, and then the clip will sit right on the other hole of the bracket. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the intake hose, or the intake to valve cover hose, and then put on the new ones. So it should be pretty easy. These clips are not too bad. Kind of dealt with them before. It's just turn and kind of pop off. There you go. Super easy. So on the back side, you won't be able to see it, but you kind of just push up on this tab and then just pull off. But you see all this oil that's coming from the intake or coming from the valve cover and going back into the intake. So it's very dirty. Definitely don't want that, right? So first hose, it's gonna go on over here. I want to say it goes like this. Hopefully that's good and it's not too tight. Looks pretty good so far. And then the second hose is gonna go right up top here. So easy. So easy. Look at that. We're done already. 7 minutes. And would have taken me less time if I wasn't recording a video, but super, super easy. So we got the one clip here. Clips right into the top of the catch can. So you got this little 90, boom, comes up there. And then the other one comes from the out into the intake. So all the oil that's going to come out of the valve cover will be caught there. And then I think most people, they just kind of clean it out every time they do an oil change or so. I mean, the truck's not boosted, so it's probably not going to fill up that fast. I mean, there was barely any oil in the other tube, so yeah. Just give you guys another look at it. All dirty. Pretty oily. I wonder how much. Oh my god, yeah. Inside, I don't know if you guys can see. Try to turn this. I don't know if you guys can see, but nah, you guys can. It's not catching it on the camera. In the back, all the way at the bottom, there's like oil just gunked up right here. So definitely glad we did that. Nice little preventative maintenance. Let me go ahead and tighten this down a little bit more. It doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere, so. Yeah, no, I can't even tighten that anymore. Awesome. Clips should stay there. Boom. Easy peasy, nothing's loose. And I can go ahead and I can either zip tie it here or just leave it as is. I'll probably just leave it. But it looks pretty freaking good. Don't even notice it. Some guys will have it sit higher. So what I did was I mounted it on the top mount. Some people, what they do is they'll mount it from the bottom up, and but then you have this like tall, like, I don't know, I didn't like it, so I saw someone else put it that way, and I think it looks much better. It's nice and hidden. You don't got to see it or anything. So let's go ahead and start her up and make sure nothing leaks. Forgot it connects to my Apple CarPlay, but no leaks. Good to go. Nice and beautiful stock Coyote with just an air filter and a catch can. I absolutely loved it. And this is really, really cold. Got the hamper in. Make sure it's not leaking anywhere. Good, sounds nice and healthy. Freaking love this truck, man. Hello, Foggy. This truck looks damn good. I say this every time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if this install helped you guys install your catch can on your 21 to 25 F-150. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to respond as fast as possible. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.